I have been offered millions of Naira to speak against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos must learn to protect their own. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the greatest treasure Igbo people have now. If anything happens to him, we are finished as a people. He must be protected, defended and released at all cost. Else, there will be very, very heavy consequences, I assure you.
That some of our people, many of our people are evil, the best for you. People are calling me from America, from UK, from Germany. Muku Jonye Chukutelumano, that I should start criticizing Chineke. A man who did nothing to me. A man who is thriving. A man who is facing wars, battle from every corner of this life. For me to have electricity. For me to have life. For me to live with purpose. For me to have basic amenities. They are telling me, Okwuluora and Igbo, this guy is jobless. This guy is a scammer. This guy is a fool. You need to criticize him. I say you have Twitter account, you have Instagram account, you have Facebook account. You couldn't because you have no point. You are baseless. You are irresponsible. You are evil. You want to Okwuluora and Igbo. Kambanya live broadcast, Kojo Nwa Chineke. I don't know where we go from here. Ozemena Wansube kule egwu oge Oliver dike okenwo. Ozemena Wansube si na ndị Igbo ada echekwa ifefa nwe echekwa. Ayaka Nsugbe. May he so rest in peace. Oge Oliver aka na-etenwo. Oliver dike okwe. Ozemena Wansube si na problem Igbo nwe. Bụ na Igbo ada echekwa ife ha nwe echekwa. And ọ bụ na ichekwara ife nwere echekwa. Ife ahụ ko you are going to suffer. Oliver kwu maka Ada Maria Jos. Ọ ka na-akụrụ ndị befe egwu. Ebenezer Obe can akụrụ ndị befe egwu. Okwu maka nwata Shata Maria Jos, whoever he is. Ọ ka na-akụrụ ndị befe egwu. Mana ndị Igbo echekwa Oliver dike okwe echekwa. And they are suffering today. Ndị Igbo chekwa no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu echekwa. Igbo people. Chekwa no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu echekwa. Abụrụ m onye IPOB. Abụ m a Biafran. I'm not a registered IPOB member. I still need to tell you the truth. Whether you are a governor, a senator, you are sending your agents, and you need to know, this is why some people who are pro-Biafra, tomorrow, you see them talking nonsense. They have been offered a lot of money, either money or threats. Some of them we are threatening it, some of them we are giving money. I have been offered millions of Naira. I am Okwuluora and Igbo. If I'm lying to you, may I not see tomorrow? I have been offered millions of Naira to talk against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I said no. Why would I do that? I said to them, mentioning me Okwuluora and Igbo in the same book with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is glorious. It's an achievement for me. Not to talk of mentioning me and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the same page, in the same paragraph, in the same line, in the same sentence. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, is a human being. Also, Chukwubu onye na-adịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Also, Chukwubu onye adịghị emeghe emeghe. Also, Chukwubu unmistakable, unshakable. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. Ọ bụ onye Abia State. Nwa Igwe Israel Kanu. Oh, Mmadụ Molia. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is bound to make mistakes. Let me tell you some leaders in the world. Jacques Chirac. You talk about Hugo Chavez and Raul Castro, Fidel Castro. You talk about Nicolas Sarkozy, Angela Merkel. You talk about Gordon Brown, David Cameron, all of them. These are world leaders with billions of dollars. Accessible to them for intelligence, for advisors, technological advisors, human advisors. That's why the resources made available to them. These people make poor policies. They make mistakes on a daily basis. Some of you criticizing the approaches, the works, the sacrifices, the efforts of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never, ever contributed 1 Naira pin